polygon made up of 3 sides is called a triangle. Let us understand the area of triangle with an interesting activity. Take a paper. Draw a triangle on it. We have drawn a triangle with sides 5 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm. Cut this triangle from paper. Draw a triangle on paper which is congruent to this triangle. That is, draw another triangle whose sides are of length 5 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm. Cut this as well. We see that under a correspondence, the two triangles completely cover each other. Therefore, we can say that the area of these two triangles is equal. Generally, the area of all congruent triangles is equal. Can you tell me how we will find the area of triangles? Think. Let me explain you. We will place both pieces of congruent triangles together in such a way that a pair of their corresponding sides is joined. You can do it in this way, or this way. By doing this, you will get a quadrilateral. Which type of quadrilateral is this? Think. The opposite sides of this quadrilateral are parallel and equal. Therefore, this is a parallelogram. In the previous video, we learned that the area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height, where base is one side of the parallelogram and height is perpendicular dropped on that side from the opposite vertex of a parallelogram. Since the parallelogram is made up of two congruent triangles, therefore, the area of the parallelogram will be equal to the sum of the areas of two congruent triangles. Since the area of both triangles is equal, so we can say that area of parallelogram is 2 multiplied by area of triangle, that is, area of triangle will be the half of area of parallelogram. In this way, the area of each triangle is half multiplied by base multiplied by height, in which base is one side of the triangle and height is the length of perpendicular dropped on that side from the opposite vertex. On measuring, you will find that this height is 4 cm. Since the length is 6 cm and the height is 4 cm, so the area of each triangle is equal to half multiplied by 6 cm multiplied by 4 cm is equal to 12 square centimeter. If we consider the base of the triangle as B and the height as H, then we can say that the area of the triangle is equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height, or half BH. Now look here, two triangles are shown here. Can you find the area of these triangles? Try it. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 420 square centimeter. Similarly, the area of triangle XYZ is also equal to 420 square centimeter. Here, the area of both triangles is equal. Can we say that they are congruent? Think. Absolutely right. They are not congruent because their measurements are different and they do not cover each other completely. In short, if two triangles are congruent, then their area must be equal. But it is not necessary that triangles equal in area are congruent. So, now you must have understood the area of the triangle. So today we have learned about area of triangle. In the next video, we will find out the area of following triangle XYZ. In this obtuse angle triangle XYZ, the line segment XO is perpendicular on the opposite sides YZ of the vertex X. If we consider YZ as the base of the triangle and XO as the height, where XO is equal to 2.8 cm and YZ is equal to 4.6 cm, so the area of triangle XYZ will be equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height is equal to half yz multiplied by xo, that is half 4.6 centimeter multiplied by 2.8 centimeter. On solving this, we get the area of triangle XYZ as 6.44 square centimeter. We can solve it in another way also. In triangle XYZ, line segment YW is perpendicular on side XZ. In triangle XYZ, if we consider side XZ as base and perpendicular YW as height, then the area of triangle XYZ will be half XZ multiplied by YW, that is, the area of triangle XYZ will be 6.44 square centimeter. Here, in both cases, we have considered different sides as base, and by considering their corresponding perpendicular, we have calculated the area. In both the cases, we have got an equal answer. Can you tell the reason behind this? Think. Let me tell you. This is because in both cases, we have taken the same triangle to find out area. If we consider any side of the triangle as base and its corresponding perpendicular as height, then it will not change the area of the triangle. Therefore, in both cases, the area of the triangle is same. So, with the help of the length of one side of the triangle and its corresponding height, the area of the triangle can be calculated. It is not necessary that the length of all sides should be known. Next example. Below is triangle ADB of area 30 square centimeter and triangle ADC of area 54 square centimeter. The line segment AD is perpendicular on BC. If BD is 5 centimeter, then find the measurement of line segment AD and line segment DC. It is given that the area of triangle ADB is 30 square centimeter and the area of triangle ADC is 54 square centimeter. In both these triangles, AD is common. We know that the area of the triangle is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. In this way, if we know the measurement of the area of the triangle, base or its corresponding height of any two from these three, then we can easily find the measure of the third, such as the area of triangle ADB is 30 square centimeter. Since the side BD and side AD are perpendicular to each other, this means that angle ADB is the right angle. That's why triangle ADB is a right angle triangle. In case of right angle triangle, we can consider one of these perpendicular sides as base and the other side as height. Here we will consider the side BD as base and side AD as height. In this way, we can write area of triangle ADB is equal to half multiplied by BD multiplied by AD. We know the area and measure of side BD. So, we can find the measure of AD. For this, we will arrange the equation multiplying both sides by 2 and dividing by BD. We get area of triangle ADB multiplied by 2 divided by BD is equal to AD. We can write this as AD is equal to area of triangle ADB multiplied by 2 divided by BD. Since the area of triangle ADB is 30 square centimeter and the length of line segment BD is 5 centimeter, that is, we get AD is equal to 12 centimeter. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC, side AD is common. Since in triangle ADC, AD and side DC are perpendicular to each other, we can say that triangle ADC is also a right angle triangle. Here also, we can consider either the side AD and DC as base and the other as height. Let's consider side DC as base and AD as height in triangle ADC. we can write the area of triangle ADC is equal to half multiplied by DC multiplied by AD. Therefore, DC is equal to area of triangle ADC multiplied by 2 divided by AD, which is equal to 54 multiplied by 2 divided by 12 centimeter. In this way, we will get DC is equal to 9 centimeter. Today we have seen some interesting examples related to area of triangle. In the next video, we will see misconception. Find out the area of following triangle ABC. The formula of area of triangle is area of triangle is equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Some children consider side BC as base and other side as height of triangle. Like here, they consider side AB as height that results in an area of triangle as 21 square centimeter. But it is a misconception. That is, option 2 is the wrong answer. Here, side AB is not perpendicular on base BC. Therefore, we cannot consider it as height. The height of the triangle is perpendicular distance from the opposite vertex of base. Here it is given that perpendicular distance from vertex A to base BC is 5 cm. So we can take the height of triangle as 5 cm. Therefore, the area of triangle ABC is half multiplied by 6 cm multiplied by 5 cm is equal to 15 square centimeter. That is, option 1 is the right answer. Next example. Ramesh's rectangular farm is of the length 48 meter and breadth 16 meter. He constructed 24 right-angled triangles, flower beds of same size throughout his farm. If the base of each right-angled triangular bed is 8 meter, then what will be its height? Since the length of rectangular farm is 48 meter and breadth is 16 meter, therefore the area of farm will be length multiplied by breadth is equal to 48 meter multiplied by 16 meter is equal to 768 square meter. This area is divided into 24 equal triangular flower beds. Therefore, we can say that the area of each bed will be 24th part of the rectangular area. That is, the area of each right-angled triangular bed is 768 square meter divided by 24 is equal to 32 square meter. In the right-angled triangle, two sides are perpendicular to each other. We can take one of these as base and other as height. Since the area of the right-angled triangular bed is half multiplied by base multiplied by height, therefore, we can say that height of right-angled triangular bed is equal to area of the right-angled triangular bed multiplied by 2 divided by length of base. It is given that the length of base of right-angled triangle is 8 meter. Therefore, its height will be 32 square meter multiplied by 2 divided by 8 meter is equal to 8 meter. So, in Ramesh's field, the height of each right-angled triangular bed is 8 meter. So today we have seen a misconception and an example related to area of triangle.